Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today, I'll show you a tutorial about how to create a check from AP Ledger. In the previous demo, we had created an AP Ledger. Now, we go to create a check for the payment. Okay, let's start signing into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. Before create a check, let's go to review the previous AP Ledger. Here is the AP Ledger and the number AP number 4. In the item rows, there is a saving account number 11023. And we want to create a check from this account. Let's open the check preview. Go to the top right corner and then click the print. Under printout format, select the second item to generate a check printout. Since the check template for this account is not ready yet, so the system shown the error message. Okay, let's start. Go to create a new check template. On the top of menu, click the block named Master, then click the Money block, and click the Bank block to go to the bank interface. Click here to go to create a new bank data. Input saving account in the bank name input box. Next, input number in the bank account number input box. Then, look up the target account code in the chart of account input box. Also, upload your check image as a template background. The image had shown in the below template. It's not yet, it needs space on the check dimension to simulate the template spacing. For example, the check's width is 185 mm. And the height is 94 mm. Next, we can align the below elements to corresponding location. Before alignment, change the font size to better output for printing. Then, drag every element to corresponding location. If the element is too narrow, drag the corner to resize the element. You can also change the font weight to bold. It is simple to align all of elements. The text amount element may need 2 lines to display the content, and needed some padding on the first line. So, input padding space value here to add some space before text start. And input line spacing value here to add spacing between 2 lines. Continue align other elements. After that, we can click the Save button to save it. The template is ready to use. We go back the AP Ledger to check the check printout. You can see that the ledger value is based on template setting, to display in correct location. Let's check the printer preview. Since the template setting is based on no margin of output, so, when setting the printer, the margin needs set to none or 0. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.